Today I am here for presentation on topic mixed economy with my group members Salini Shekarwat, Swani Tyagi and Vitan Sharma. Definitions. Mixed economy is that economy in which both government and private individual exercise economic control. Next is a mixed economy. Economic system protects private properties and allow a level of economic freedom in the use of capitals, but also allow for government to interface in economic activities in order to achieve social aims. A mixed economy system is a system that combines accept of both capitalism and socialism. So the formula of mixed economy is capitalism plus socialism. Now, features of mixed economy. Mixed economy first features is coexistence of private and public sectors. Both public and private enterprise exist in the economic systems. The role and areas of both the two sectors are well defined. In the mixed economy, the two sectors as not rivals. The two sectors are partners in the process of development, because for the efficient work of this system, the cooperation between the two sectors are necessary. The public sectors is government owned organizations that are used to provide a service to the public. The private sector is accepted to supplement the effort of public sectors and the take advantage and investment opportunity enhanced by public enterprises. Next is freedom and control. Here all individuals have the freedom to produce goods and products, hold property, choose their occupation and choose or demand products, services, the work, but to keep a check on monopolistic practice and discriminations of the lower sectors of society, to states maintain some control. Next is economic planning. In a mixed economy, we have a control planning authority. All sectors of the economy follow the economic plan of the state to achieve various targets and goals. The plan is not rigid but more of a general guidelines for economic growth, and prosperity of the nation. Next is profit motive and social welfare. In mixed economy, public sector work as the principle of social welfare motive. Public sectors try to reduce regional economic inequalities and to increase employment opportunity. The basis of price policy of public sector is social welfare instead of private profit, whereas the operations and price policy of private sector is guided by price policy of private sector is guided by private profit motive, but the private profit motive is controlled by government through physical and monetary policies, direct control, etc. Thank you.
Types of mixed economy. There are two types of mixed economy: capitalistic mixed economy and socialistic mixed economy. Capitalistic mixed economy. It is a type of economy where government did not interfere between the production of production. Government does not interfere in any type of manners. The system, the main responsibility of the government in this system is they just ensure the growth of the company. That for that only they can interfere in the capitalistic mixed economy. And socialistic mixed economy is that economy where the more power is in the hand of state government, and they can take the main decision regarding to the economic growth of. There are two types of socialistic mixed economy: liberal socialistic mixed economy and centralized socialistic mixed economy. Liberal socialistic. Under this system, the government interfere to bring timely changes in the market so that they can interfere in between the liberal socialistic. And in centralized socialistic mixed economy, the major decision is taken by the central agency according to the need of the economy.
I am Shalini Shekarwat. My topic is characteristic of mixed economy. The few characteristics of mixed economy are: the first is assistance of joint sector. The joint sector include both the government and the private individual established or organization jointly by contributing the necessary capital. Next is regulation of private sector. Government exercise strict control and the regulation the private sector industries. Next is planned economy. Mixed economy is a planned economy. The entire structure is subject to the planning of the government. In this the planning commission decide the objectives, targets, and the allocation of the resources. Next is provision of social security. Under mixed economy, government take steps to provide the social security. Next is private property. Under the mixed economy, the private firm and the individual have a right to own and use the property. And the next is reduction of inequality of income and the wealth. In this mixed economy, government take steps to reduce the inequality of income and the wealth. Next is complete economic freedom. There is a complete economic freedom in a mixed economy, so the consumer have a right to buy anything, buy any commodity. The next is the role of the government in a mixed economy. The government role in a mixed economy is comprises the public and private and the publicly businesses that was regulated by the government organization. Next is government regulate the mixed economies by formulating their rules and the regulation to protect that was to protect the consumer and the producer in the market. The next is the government plan is necessary to provide the production target in private industry while protecting the defense, private utility services, and the heavy industries like heavy automotive industries and the heavy electrical equipment, etc.
Vitan Sharma. So my topic is advantages of mixed economy. First one is it provides goods or services whenever they are required. In mixed economy, the mixed economy provides the goods and services whenever and whatever the condition is. If there is a need of goods and services, then they will provide them. Second one is it improves production level on overall efficiency rates. It increases production level. Production level will automatically increased and increase or improves whatever, and overall efficiency rates also will be improved. Third one is it provides more opportunities for companies to grow. The mixed economy provides more opportunities. Opportunity means they gives more ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा चांस देते हैं वो लोग कंपनी को ग्रो करने के लिए. Next point is it helps to create more jobs. Mixed economy creates more jobs. Employment gives the employment also. And the last one is it supports direct employment opportunities. It's mixed economy. Mixed economy supports the direct employment opportunity. Means the firm or the company will give the jobs directly to the candidate. Next topic is disadvantages of mixed economy. It does not guarantee that the state will avoid interference. Mixed economy does not take the guarantee that the state will avoid interference. Interference means the whatever will happen, the state will or may interfere or may not interfere. It does not take the guarantee. Next one is unhealthy competitions. Unhealthy competition means there is a competition between the private and the public sectors. Both the sectors have their own competition with each others. Last point is promotion of social welfare. Promotion of social welfare means in this mixed economy there is a promotion of social welfare, means private and the public sectors, both of the sectors work for the welfare of peoples. Thank you.